Welcome to the Traveling Kangaroo channel, where exploration never ends. Today, we embark on a journey to the heart of Tennessee, starting with Nashville, the home of country music. Nashville isn't just a city, it's a stage where hopeful artists perform, dreaming of their big break. It's where icons like the Grand Ole Opry and the Country Music Hall of Fame stand as testaments to the genre's rich history. Nashville's vibrant music scene is only the beginning of what Tennessee has to offer. Moving on, Tennessee is also known as the Volunteer State. This nickname dates back to the War of 1812, when thousands of Tennesseans voluntarily stepped up to fight. This tradition of service continued during the Mexican War, with a call for 2,600 volunteers, resulting in a whopping 30,000 stepping forward. Volunteerism is a defining part of Tennessee's identity, deeply ingrained in its history and culture, reflecting the state's generous spirit. The spirit of volunteerism is alive and well in Tennessee. No trip to Tennessee is complete without a taste of its famous whiskey. The Volunteer State, steeped in tradition and history, is renowned for its unique whiskey-making process. The Lincoln County process, a charcoal mellowing method, gives Tennessee whiskey its distinct smooth and smoky flavor. The state is home to illustrious distilleries such as Jack Daniel's, a name synonymous with Tennessee whiskey worldwide. This revered spirit is a testament to Tennessee's rich heritage and craftsmanship. Remember, always enjoy Tennessee whiskey responsibly. Now, let's whet your appetite with Tennessee's incredible food scene. Here, the flavors are as rich and varied as the state's history. The Memphis-style barbecue, slow-cooked to perfection, and the Nashville hot chicken, a fiery delight, are must-tries for every food lover. Seek out these dishes in local food joints, where the aroma of spices and smoked meat fill the air. Each bite offers a taste of Tennessee's culture, making every meal a memorable experience. Tennessee's food scene is a culinary adventure waiting to happen. From food, we shift to another form of art: music. Welcome to Memphis, the home of the blues. A city whose rhythm is steeped in a rich musical legacy, Memphis is a pilgrimage for music lovers worldwide. Here, the blues found its soul, with legends like B.B. King and Muddy Waters carving out its unique sound. From the soul-stirring notes in Beale Street clubs to the historic Sun Studio, Memphis's music legacy resonates in every corner of the city. Let's leave the city behind for a moment and venture into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Imagine yourself amongst the vast wilderness, taking in the breathtaking views of layered mountain ranges. Picture the diverse wildlife that calls this place home, from black bears to fireflies. Feel the thrill of outdoor activities, from hiking to fishing, all in the midst of nature's grandeur. The Great Smoky Mountains National Park is a testament to Tennessee's natural beauty. Next, we pay a visit to Graceland, the former mansion of the king of rock and roll, Elvis Presley. A testament to the star's timeless allure, Graceland is more than a mansion. It's a journey through the music legend's life, showcasing his flamboyant jumpsuits, gold records, and iconic pink Cadillac. The mansion also houses the Meditation Garden, Elvis's final resting place. It's a trip down memory lane, filled with nostalgia and admiration for the artist's extraordinary career. Graceland is a must-visit for any Elvis fan. From the king to the queen, our next stop is Dollywood, Dolly Parton's theme park. Nestled in the heart of Tennessee, this amusement park is a tribute to country music legend Dolly Parton. With thrilling rides, live music, and a full-scale replica of Dolly's childhood home, Dollywood is a beacon of Southern hospitality. It's not just about fun, though. The park has revitalized the local economy, creating jobs and attracting millions of visitors each year. Dollywood offers fun for the whole family. Did you know Tennessee is home to over 10,000 caves? Each one, a marvel of nature, is a testament to the geological wonders of this region. Some caves are known for their extraordinary formations, like the stalactites and stalagmites of Cumberland Caverns. Others, like the Bell Witch Cave, come with intriguing tales of folklore and mystery. These subterranean landscapes are filled with fascinating features and hidden treasures that captivate the curiosity of explorers. Tennessee's caves are a subterranean wonderland waiting to be explored. Our journey ends with a somber note: the Trail of Tears. This historical event marks a dark chapter in American history, where thousands of Native Americans were forcibly relocated from their ancestral lands. Today, the Trail of Tears is a significant symbol of the resilience and endurance of the Cherokee people and other affected tribes. It's a tough story to tell, but an important part of our collective history. The Trail of Tears is a poignant reminder of our past and the resilience of the human spirit. Don't forget to subscribe and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com for more travel inspiration.